How to find long-term stay in Airbnb. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to find long-term stay. You could use online platform like Airbnb, Booking.com and Vrbo. So basically, we're going to use Airbnb. So for that, what you want to do is you first need to have an Airbnb application installed to your device. Also make sure that your application is updated. Now, first of all, you want to go ahead and look for the section or the place where you actually want to find a long-term stay. So tap on start your search at the top and then you want to go ahead and look for it. Now, in my case, I'm going to go for Bangkok, Thailand, and then select the date when I actually want to book it. Then you want to go to the month section and you want to go to the flexible, right? So basically, this is where you will be able to select the long term. So you could select month and then you want to go ahead and go to November, December, and then January. Let's say this is the one. Tap on the next button and select the members that you have, adult and all that stuff. Click on search. When you do this, you could find the search right on the section. You go ahead and read all the information provided to you, and this way you'll be able to find a long-term stay Airbnb. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.